In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the follow button apply whenever you comment on people's posts, okay? So that way it will be easier for people to follow you. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can enable your follow button so that once you comment on people's posts, you can be able to see the follow button highlighted here. So as you guys can see, this is my page, Ada Online Tips. I commented on this lover's post and the follow button appeared, okay? Most people have been looking for ways to do this, right? And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable this so that whenever you comment on people's posts, your follow button can be able to be highlighted, and that way people can be able to follow you easily. Okay, so make sure you leave reasonable comments on people's posts, right? So it also helps to get and gain followers to your page. So the first thing you're going to do is, of course, you should have the Facebook app on your phone. You go to the Facebook app, you tap to open. So once you open the app, okay, depending on the page you want to turn on or enable the follow button on people's comments, okay? So this is my page, right? It was the page I showed you. Whenever I use this particular page to comment on people's posts, okay, my follow button will appear, right? So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your profile at the top right, you tap on it. So next you go down under settings and privacy, you tap on settings. Under audience and visibility, okay, you look for followers and public content, you tap to open. So once you open this, you're going to see this particular interface. Who can follow my page? Who can see your followers on your timeline? Who can see the people pages and lists you follow? Who can comment on your public post notification, public page info, show most relevant comments, or Facebook reviews? Okay, so this is where you want to go. Okay, so once you come here, make sure that all these are turned to public. Okay, this one is optional. You can hide post and comment with profanity. It's optional, right? So when all this is turned on, rest assured that whenever you comment on people's posts, the follow button can be able to be seen by people. But if you comment using the particular page, this particular, take for instance, this page, the follow button is enabled when I comment on people's posts. Okay, so if I use it to comment on, say, this lover's post, okay, it's going to show, people are going to see it, but I'm not going to see it. So how do I find out whether it's actually true that my follow button is enabled on people's posts? You have to use another account. If you have another account or another page or your profile, okay, so with that you can be able to see it yourself. But people will see it, but because you're using the same account to comment, you might not see it from your own end. If you use another account of yours, you will see that it's visible to people. Okay, so that is how you can enable your follow button on people's comments. And it's what we want, right? Because it will enable people follow you, especially if you leave good comments on people's posts. People would like to know who left this comment. They would like to know you. So once they click, they follow you immediately, and that is one of the easiest way to gain followers to your page. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Please, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day, and bye for now.